Loreto and welcome to my channel. Today, my video is all about this portable DVD player that is used in order to play videos on your DVD disc, and of course to watch different channels because it also have its built-in TV and like that one. So it has a kind of multi-purpose device where you can watch TV, listen to the radio, use your USB, and use your DVD disc in order to watch different videos. So, but today we're not going to use that feature, but we're just going to use this portable DVD player in our Digibox for us to watch different channels, TV channels. So it is came from SkyDirect in the Philippines. So we're just going to demonstrate the process on how you can use this one and connect into this Digibox. So first, we're going to have this 3.5mm jack because it is being used in here. So as you're going to see here, so it has 3 ports. The audio have the AV out or AV in, but today we're just going to use the AV in because it means that the audio video output in here will be put into here. So just as simple as that. So we're just going to open this one. Okay, so here we need to use this 3.5mm jack. So we need two of these, and we also need this one. So this is a adapter that is bought for around 35 pesos or some kind of 75 cents or less than $1. We also have this Digibox, then remote control. So it is not a remote control, it's also a remote for our TV and for our DVD player. So first we're going to do is that we need to put the so we need to put this one into the AV in our portable DVD player. So like that one, AV in. So it is already been put. Then in here we're just going to put the adapter. So like that one. So in other side, we just need to put the yellow in here, the white in here, and the red in here. So simple as that. I apologize because I don't have the helper. Just I do it by myself. So this one, you're going to see here the red is to the red, white is the white, and yellow is the yellow. Here is the video, and this one is for the audio. So the other part, so this one will be connected into the AV output here. So like that one, then put the AV output. So it is like this one. Okay, then we need to put the LNB or the satellite dish in here. So I will just get first the antenna. So here is the antenna from the satellite dish. It's going to put in here the back part. Okay. Going to see here that we already put the satellite dish. So simple as that. So now we already connected this digibox into our LED TV. What we are going to do is that we need to power on our LED. So plug the cord, and we need also to power on our digibox. Okay, it's already powered on. So as of now, it is in the DVD mode. We need to use the AV. We already finished installing our DVD player and the digibox. So we already connect it from here into here. So as you can see, we have here the wire or the coaxial wire came from the LNB or the satellite dish. It's connected into that. Then we have here the audio video output coming from digibox and the 12-volt power supply. So my power supply came from this power wall. So it is a 200 Ah power wall. So from here, it's going to here, and you have here the adapter at the middle and the audio video. So it is for the video, it is for the audio. So at first I have a difficulty in connecting the two, and I found out that there is a connection. I think it's the wherein the video came from the G-box is yellow, but in here the video is red. So I connect it properly so that I have the audio and the video in the DVD player. So here, so it came from the power supply of my video, or not a video but a DVD player. So in here, so it is connected in the AV input. You have here the audio cable or the audio input and the power supply. So that's the connection. I have here the USB to power supply to supply the 5-volt in this speaker. So as you can see, it is working properly. So I can change the channel, release the remote, something like that. Okay. So thank you for watching. This is Mr. Loreto Llosala. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video.
Please.
for more updates. So thank you for watching. Good day.